Smart Talk English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. I'm Paul.
And I'm Lena. Today we're going to practice English together in a very simple way.
That's right. Think of this episode as a conversation between two friends. You can listen, repeat, and even imagine you are part of the talk.
The more you listen to easy English, the better you'll get.
So, let's start. Making plans. Lena, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday? Nothing special. I stayed home and watched a movie.
Oh, nice. Which movie?
It was a comedy. Honestly, I don't remember the name, but it made me laugh a lot.
That's good. Laughing is healthy. I went for a walk in the park.
Alone?
No, with my friend. We walked, talked, and had some ice cream.
That sounds fun. I love ice cream.
Me too. By the way, Lena, are you free this weekend?
Yes, why?
Maybe we can go to a cafe and practice English together.
Great idea. Speaking in English outside makes it more real.
Okay. Let's imagine we are at the cafe right now.
Sure. Hello. May I have a cup of coffee, please?
And I'll have a cup of tea.
Practicing like this helps a lot. It's simple but useful.
Exactly. When you order food or drinks in English, you don't need difficult words. Just be polite. Say please and thank you.
Right. Like, can I have a sandwich, please?
Perfect. And when you get your food, you can say thank you very much.
Easy and clear.
Hobbies.
What do you enjoy doing?
So, Lena, let's tell our listeners about our hobbies.
I like reading books.
Mostly short stories in English.
That's a smart way to learn. Do you read every day?
Not every day, but at least 3 times a week.
Good. I like playing guitar.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yeah, but I'm not very good yet. I practice a little bit each day.
That's the secret, right?
Exactly. A little every day. Same with English. Practice a little every day, and you will improve.
Practice every day.
Paul, what's your daily tip for learning English?
I would say listen every day, even 5 minutes. Music, podcasts, or movies.
Good advice. My tip is speak out loud, even if you are alone.
Yes. Read a book, but don't just read in your head. Read with your voice.
That way, your mouth gets used to the sounds, and your confidence grows. Another trick for listening is to watch movies or TV shows with subtitles. This helps you connect the words you hear with the words you see.
Oh, I love that method. Watching movies with English subtitles really helped me when I was learning. You get to hear the natural way people speak, plus you see how words are spelled.
Yes, exactly. And it's not just about the words. You also get to hear how people express emotions and use intonation. It's a fun way to learn too.
Definitely. And once you feel comfortable with listening, it's time to focus on speaking. Here's something I've learned. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Oh, absolutely. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. The important thing is to keep speaking. Even if you make mistakes, you're still practicing.
And one good way to practice speaking is by recording yourself. You can listen back and see where you can improve.
Oh, that's a good one. Sometimes we don't realize what we're doing wrong until we hear ourselves. It helps you catch any small mistakes, like pronunciation or intonation.
Right. And another tip for speaking is to find someone to talk to in English. Even if it's just for a few minutes each day, a language exchange partner can really make a difference.
Yes, you can find language exchange partners online or even join a group where people practice speaking English. It's a great way to learn and also make new friends.
Now let's talk about building your vocabulary. One fun way to do this is by learning a word of the day.
I love that. You can pick a new word every day and try to use it in your conversations. This will help you remember it and also make your English sound more natural.
Exactly. And make sure you use the word in different sentences. The more you practice, the easier it will be to remember.
One trick I use is to keep a vocabulary journal. I write down new words and their meanings, and I review them every few days. It really helps me retain what I learn.
Oh, I love that idea. Keeping a journal is a great way to keep track of your progress, too. It's a nice feeling to look back and see how much you've learned.
And if you can, try to use the new words in real conversations. Even if you're speaking with a friend or a family member, it helps you get more comfortable with the word.
That's such a great tip. Practice makes perfect, right? Now, let's talk about grammar. A lot of people get nervous about grammar, but it doesn't have to be scary.
Definitely not. Grammar is important, but it's not something you need to stress over. A good tip is to start with the basics, like sentence structure and tenses.
Exactly. Once you get comfortable with the basics, you can gradually learn more advanced grammar. One thing I always tell people is to focus on communication, not perfection.
Travel and dreams.
Let's talk about travel. Lena, have you traveled to other countries?
Yes, I have been to Thailand and Singapore. Both are beautiful.
Oh, nice. What did you enjoy there?
In Thailand, I loved the beaches and the food. In Singapore, I liked the clean streets and modern buildings.
Sounds great. For me, I have traveled to Spain, Italy, and France. I love the culture and history there.
Wow. Traveling gives us so much new experience.
Yes. And useful travel phrases in English are, where is the train station? Or how much is a ticket?
Also, can you help me? And I need a taxi.
Exactly. Simple, short, and clear.
Feelings and emotions.
Paul, sometimes it's hard to say how we feel in another language.
Yes, emotions are important. Let's practice. Right now, how do you feel?
I feel happy because I'm talking with you.
That's sweet. I feel excited because I love recording podcasts.
Common feelings are happy, sad, tired, angry, excited, nervous, relaxed.
Yes. And if you want to be polite, you can say, I'm a little tired instead of just I'm tired.
Good point. It makes the conversation softer.
Small talk and making friends.
Now, small talk. Small talk is short conversation with new people.
Like when you meet someone at work, school, or a party.
Exactly. For example, hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Another question is, where are you from?
Or, what do you do? Meaning your job.
Yes, these small sentences can open a friendly chat.
And from there, you can grow into longer conversations.
Closing and motivation.
Paul, today we talked about many things. Daily life, food, hobbies, travel, emotions, and small talk.
Yes, and all in simple English.
Friends who are listening, remember, learning a language takes time, but every small step is progress.
And the more you listen and practice, the more natural it will become.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Yes, thank you for being with us. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.